Welcome, pizza enthusiasts. Hey, when you think you've tried every type of pizza out there, there's always one that comes along that is a game changer. Anyway, we've been making Pasta Puttanesca for a long time, and Chef Dom, he kind of recommended or suggested, hey, how about if we put that sauce on a pizza? I'll tell you what, it's fantastic. Anyway, we're gonna show you how to make this. It's very simple, and I guarantee it's gonna be one of your favorites. All right, ingredients for the Puttanesca sauce. Come here, Sean, check this out. We have capers, anchovy, olives, some garlic, onion, whole San Marzano peeled tomato, and I'm gonna use this Calabrian chili. I mean, typically we use crushed red pepper, but Dominic forgot to buy it.
Again? I forgot.
Anyway.
Smack you in the head with that jaw.
Anyway, it's gonna work just as well. I think it's better, actually. All right,
it is good. It's got a great flavor.
We're gonna put some olive oil inside of this extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna put about actually a quarter cup. I typically put a half a cup in there when I'm making pasta. But for the pizza, I wanted to use less oil because the cheese is going to release a lot of oil.
Let me see that.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to start out with the onions. I'm going to cook these for about a minute. Now we're going to go ahead and put the anchovies in now so they can dissolve. A couple anchovies. Give it a nice flavor. You can actually get this recipe in our cookbook. We have this pasta recipe, Pasta Puttanesca, in the cookbook. Yeah, that's good. All right, now we're going to put the garlic in there. That's a tablespoon of garlic. Let that fry up a bit. All right. Now we're going to throw in our capers. Some of our olives. You can use regular black olives, Kalamata olives, but today we're doing a pizza, so we want a little color, so we added some green olives in there. All right, now we're gonna put in some of our Calabrese chili.
That stuff is really
very hot. The quick sauce. I'll go ahead and add a tomato, a little fresh basilico, a little basil. I'll go ahead and crush these up. We're just going to let this sauce cook for about 15 minutes, that's all it needs, because it's going to cook on the pizza. There we go. Some salt. A little bit of black pepper. That's it. Now we're going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes, and then we're ready to make the pizza.
Puttanesca pizza, Sicilian pizza.
Yeah. Anyway, Puttanesca, you're probably wondering what that is. If you're not Italian, you probably don't know what that is. But Puttanesca means prostitute in Italian. Now, there's a couple of different theories about how this sauce started. Now, it did come out of Naples, out of the Spanish Quarter, where these ladies of the night, they wanted something quick. So this was a fast dish, and they can, hurry up and get to their appointments, basically. And also, the smell, the pungent smell of this sauce was supposedly drawing people in off the streets into their bodegas. There's another theory. There was a restaurant back in the 1950s. A group of men went in at closing time, and he was out of ingredients. So they told him, just whip up anything, whatever you got. So basically, he added the anchovy and the olives and the capers to the tomato sauce, and that's how they came up. But hey, they're both interesting stories. Okay, we'll let the sauce continue to simmer. 10 more minutes, and then we'll go ahead and whip up that Sicilian Pizza Puttanesca. All right, now our sauce is ready. Now we're going to go ahead and put this pizza together. We actually prepared the shell earlier. You can get this recipe on our channel. We have a dough recipe, a New York style dough recipe that shows you how to prepare the dough. And then we also have the Sicilian pizza recipe also on there. And I'll have the links in the description for you guys. Anyway, we're gonna make this pizza a little different than normal. Instead of putting the sauce and then the cheese, we're gonna reverse that because we really wanna highlight this sauce. I got some excellent whole milk mozzarella here. This is the Polio brand. If you're not familiar with Polio, they make different types of cheeses.
And their ricotta is awesome
Their ricotta
too,
is
man.
like my favorite. I mean, we grew up on that. Anyway, we went to Jimmy's food store in Dallas because he's the only one that I know of that carries it. And I asked him to slice it up for me. I didn't want to shred it because we're going to put the sauce on top of the cheese, and this will make it a lot easier to do. All right.
I gotta have a piece of that, you know that, right?
Yeah. Let's have a piece. You want a piece, John?
Yes.
Oh my God, look, you can see how creamy it is.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful, man.
Yeah, this is a very, very creamy mozzarella.
Oh, that is really good.
It melts perfect on a pizza. All right, now we'll go ahead and layer the cheese.
Don't be bashful with the cheese.
Oh, I want to give a shout out to Joe. He actually made our Sicilian style pizza, and he shot me a picture. Anyway, it looked really good. It was right before he put it in the oven, though, but it looked really good. Yeah.
You guys are professional pizza makers now, and you learn from the best, though.
Oh man, it smells amazing.
It's gonna be
Doesn't
good.
it?
Oh,
Man.
you're fattening me up.
For the kill.
Hey, yes. By the way, that's showing on the camera.
He's back again.
He came.
Hey guys.
He came groveling back for his job. Of course, we gave it to him with half pay.
Now he actually.
Just kidding, just kidding.
He actually came to celebrate with us. The last video we did was the
A beautiful pizza.
the Italian style card. He came by to celebrate the 100,000 subscriber marker with us. All right, let's pop this baby in the oven.
Hold it. My God!
Come on, follow me, John. So,
Ay, ay, ay.
we're gonna place this on the center rack
Oh, man.
for about 10 minutes, and we'll be good to go. All right, we'll be back. Oh, listen to that crunch.
Oh my goodness. Yum, yum.
Give me that olive. What a beautiful thing.
Isn't that beautiful? I'm close. On the side. Oh man, look at that pizza. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. Put some more of that sauce on there. Oh, let's check it out. Oh man, very nice. All right. All right.
Oh my God.
How is it? Man,
Very
it's hot.
good.
It is hot. Look at that cheese, how creamy it is. Oh my goodness. Sean, you want some of this?
I'm doing.
Oh my God.
I'm burning my mouth and I don't even care.
Folks, this pizza is really good. The pungent flavors from the olives and the capers and the anchovy, it really gives this pizza a very unique taste. You're absolutely gonna love it.
It's amazing.
Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next video.
Thanks, guys. Take care. Just give me like a piece now.
I'm cutting them in 8. I'm cutting them in 8.
You got enough for 2 pies, because that's what we're making. One for now and one for midnight snack.